Here are 5 Spanish words that have come to mean different things in Filipino. Maraming mga salita sa Tagalog na nanggaling sa Espanyol, pero ang iba dito ay nagbago na ang ibig sabihin kung ikukumpara sa original Spanish word. Number 1, ang salitang cubeta. In Spanish, cubeta means bucket, pail, or tray. Pero sa Tagalog, ang ibig sabihin nito ay toilet. Then you have the word seguro, which in Spanish means sure, while in Tagalog it means maybe. Medyo ibang-ibang ibig sabihin. In Spanish, siempre means always, while siempre in Tagalog means of course. La mierda in Spanish literally means the shit, while la mierda in Tagalog means to wander or hang out aimlessly. The last one is a word that amuses my Spanish friends when they hear about it. Desgraciada in Spanish means unfortunate or miserable. In Filipino, medyo judgmental yung word na disgraciada. Ang ibig sabihin nito, an unwed mother.